Do your doors sound like this? Or do your doors sound like this?
It's never been like that.
Big doors, little doors, windows, bifolds, wardrobes, fly screens, and even door handles. No matter what the job, if it slides in your home, we will get it rolling, and usually within our first visit to your home. We stock a huge range of quality parts. We ensure that the job is done so well, we guarantee the repair for 5 years. Every door receives our One Touch Glide technology service. If your door doesn't slide with one touch, the job is done free. Our service area is the eastern suburbs, inner west, North Shore, Northern Beaches, Hills District and the Central Coast. Please feel free to give us a call. We'll look after you every step of the way. Thanks very much. Have a great day.
How good is that?